Today, something a bit different again. We're at another premierinn, this time in Dartford. So, first bit, we're in a family room. This is room 211. So let's just pan the camera around. And there they are, Steph and Millie. Right then, so first thing, when you come in the room, we've got the usual card key machine for the electrics, then hangers, a mirror that I think lights up. I haven't tried it. There it is. Then we swivel round, a large mirror again, so it's abundant with mirrors straight off this room. Then we've got an offset bathroom, so we'll just go in there, and it is quite a large bathroom actually. Quite a lot of floor space in this one. So mind the mess, because we used it last night, because this is the morning after the night before, so to speak. So we've got the towel rail, proper downfall rain shower, really good that shower, I must admit. So yeah, it is a large bath in this one. Then we've got the sink, toilet, and another massive mirror, well illuminated. And we've got the Bayliss and Harding toiletries by the sink and in the shower. So that's this room. Hook on the back of the toilet room door, then into the main foyer. So we've got this different type of wardrobe area what they've installed at this premierinn. Don't recall seeing this type before, so instead of the wardrobe being side on, this one's dead in front of you. Plenty of shelving, hair dryer. Then on this side, more shelving. You've got your tea making facilities and your condiments again, yeah. Like at the other premierinn at Dover.
And I've also gone to glass mugs.
Yeah, so slight upgrade, even though it's not an upgraded room. Power socket on the top shelf, and then we pan. Well, we'll just come this way. We've got your 32-inch LCD TV, table light, table, chair. Then you've got a bit of an area there. So, room for storage.
Is there like one USB on here?
Yeah, there's. It's. I think one.
That's HDMI, isn't it?
I'm not sure actually.
Yeah, it's a HDMI.
So
there is no USB.
So no USBs, but again, there's plenty of power sockets because there's one there, and there's two there as well.
There's
so
down there under the
bed shelf, yeah. Right, so a few pictures around the room. So you've got one there, and then you've got a larger two there, which is normally in the upgraded premierinn room. There's no backlight behind the double bed.
No.
So that's the old style. Then we'll just quickly look outside. This hotel is aircon, so we'll just have a quick look at that. But these are non-opening windows, they're straight sealed units. Looking out, that is the entrance foyer down there. Could do with a bit of a clean, because there's like old boxes just left there with stuff in. We noticed that when we came here last night. Car parking is absolutely massive, because you can see all this lot down here, and it goes right over there. It actually goes under the building, and the Beefeaters parking is actually on the other side of the building over there. So there's a vast amount of parking here. It's not charge parking like a lot of premierinns are going, so that's a good thumbs up. The room rate for this room was £53 for a family room, so that's really good. Right then, so we've got the aircon controls, just switch it on there. Like I say, we've had it going all night, so it kept the room not too warm, not too cold. It was quite a quiet night's sleep in this room, apart from about 6:30 when we started hearing the other occupants banging around on the floors above us, because there is a lot of working people using this premierinn, obviously due to the cost and location, because we are right next to the M25 Dartford Tunnel and Dartford Bridge. In fact, you can just see, I'll just pull the curtain back, and that is the Dartford Bridge over there, which goes clockwise round the M25. So when we go in the tunnel later, we were going anti-clockwise. So yeah, so we're really close to that, and it's good access. There is a Asda just down the road as well, with petrol station for any amenities you might need. Obviously we've got a Beefeaters restaurant. We were in there last night. What did you think to the Beefeaters restaurant, Miller, here?
Good.
Yeah, good. The staff are very attentive last night and this morning. Food is good as well. So big thumbs up, yeah, 'cause like I said, not all Beefeaters are that good. Could do with a bit of updating in the Beefeaters restaurant, because the banquettes, the seating's getting a bit frayed and damaged. So that's only criticism I'd say for the restaurant itself, but for the staff and the food, excellent. Right then, so that's the double bed. Then you've got the kids bed, and that is it really here from Dartford Premierinn Hotel near the M25. Right then, we'll see you all again soon. Take care, and bye bye for now.